Hello and welcome to my tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Joomla using XAMPP. Now, the first thing you have to do is download and unzip Joomla. You'll reach the Joomla site, which looks like this. You click download and you come to this page here. Once you're in this page, you click the full package and you save link as, and it'll save it to your downloads folder. Once in your downloads folder, you unzip it and then copy it and make sure it's copied. Okay, so it's in your clipboard. The next thing you have to do is install XAMPP to your local host. So Google XAMPP and you'll come up with XAMPP website, Apache Friends. Click Apache for Windows. You come to this page and you go straight to SourceForge. SourceForge, you'll reach this page here. You have to download the latest version of XAMPP because that's the best one and it's the less buggy. So once you download that, you install it and make sure it's running fine. Make sure when you install it, you come up with your control panel application. You might have to open it from your little bar down here. Make sure your Apache, MySQL and files in it are running. It'll say start, and you just click that all down. You don't have to start Mercury. You don't need it for what we're doing. Once you install XAMPP, your local host will be set with XAMPP homepage. Before you start the installation process of Joomla, you have to create a database in PHP MyAdmin inside your XAMPP so that Joomla can save all its files. You create a database. I'm going to call it test Joomla create. Before you go into the installation process, you have to access your XAMPP folder in your local disk. Go into htdocs and make sure you copy the Joomla folder in here. So where you copied it before from downloads, you paste inside this here. Okay. Now it's installed into XAMPP. The next thing you have to do is install Joomla. To install Joomla, you have to type localhost /Joomla into your URL and you come to your installation page. You want to click United States English or United Kingdom English. Click next. Make sure all these are yes, because if any of them are no, you'll be able to install Joomla. Click next, and you can read through that. I read it already, so I know all the terms. Click next. Now this is the important part. You can leave this at MySQLi. Your local host is your host name. Username, it's going to be root. There's no password set for your database. And your database name, mine is test Joomla, so you name it whatever you named it when you were creating the database for Joomla. You can type whatever here. You have to let it end in an underscore or else it won't save properly. So this should work. Once you come to this page, you can just enter in whatever information you see fit. It's FTP if you want to transfer any files from FileZilla or any FTP programs. You can fill in whatever information you want there. When you come to this page, you enter in whatever name you want to call your site. I just call my site Joomla tutorial. Enter in your email address. You can leave it as admin or change it to your name, whichever you like, and enter in your password twice. You want to install sample data so you know what you're dealing with if you're a first time user of Joomla, because if you don't install sample data you won't know where you are inside the website. So install sample data, it's pretty quick. I'll say sample data installed successfully. Click next. You have to remove the installation folder because Joomla won't install without it removed. It's a security feature, so you remove the installation folder, then you'll be able to click either you choose your administrator or your site. When you click your site, you'll hit the home page. Now this is all your sample data that you've installed, so basically it's just null information that you can start messing around with. To get into the back end of your website, type localhost /Joomla /administration. So go to your administrator page, admin, and your password, log in, and we'll hit the back end of your website. This is where you'll control what does and does not go into your website. So that was my tutorial on how to install Joomla using XAMPP. Thank you for watching.